But again, the question is going to be, if somebody says I have a decade of track record and look what I've done, 30, 40% IRR for my investors, how do they parse out, was it timing, was it market, was it the operations? Betting on the time is like gambling. We don't want to do that. We want to bet on the right operator.
I think it's more of asking the right questions as far as getting down to, okay, who's on that team? Is it a couple individuals that are doing this part-time and they still got another job on the side? And it takes a lot to really operate at a high level, these multifamily apartments. It takes a team of people, not just one individual. So I would ask questions more on that level, like break down your team, show me who's in charge of what makes you and your team different than the rest, and focus on that and not so much the IRR and what they've done in the past. And asking about that, look, I've got nothing against maybe a co-GP that's partnering with somebody else that's more experienced. That's fine. But I also want to know who that more experienced person is. And I want to get questions about them answered and whatnot, not to bypass that co-GP, but more to know who's actually handling the day-to-day.